So the next problem is two parallel SHMs represented by x1 is equal to 5 sine of 4 pi t plus pi by 3 and x2, that is the equation of second SHM, it is equal to 3 sine 4 pi t plus pi by 4 are superposed on a particle. Determine the amplitude and epoch of the resultant SHM. Here the two parallel SHMs are given, the equation for the two SHMs it is given, and these two SHMs are superposed on a single particle. What we have to determine? We have to determine the amplitude and epoch of the resultant SHM. That is the resultant of these two we have to find, and the amplitude and epoch of that. So amplitude is nothing but the capital R, or we can say capital A, that we have seen in the composition of two SHMs, and epoch, that is nothing but the delta. We have to find these things. So I have written here the first equation as x1 is equal to 5 sine of 4 pi t plus pi by 3. It is in centimeter. That is plus 1, it is given in centimeters. Then the next equation is what? x2 is equal to, it is 3 sine of 4 pi t plus pi by 4. It is again in centimeter. What we have to find? Find resultant amplitude. Find amplitude. That is, we can say, that is, say R, and epoch, it is, we will take it as delta. So let us solve. We will write for this as equation number 1, and for this it is the equation number 2. Now this compare, we know the equation of SHM. That is, first we will write the equation of SHM. Equation of SHM is, it is x is equal to, what is the equation of SHM? X is equal to a sine of omega t plus initial phase angle, that is the phi. So compare equation number, now I'll write here, compare equation 1 and 2 with this, we'll say with equation 3, that is the general equation of SHM. So we have to compare these two equations with equation 3. So we have A1 is equal to 5, A2 is equal to this A1, x1, for x1 will take A1 as the amplitude, for x2 will take the A2 as the amplitude. That is, A2 is equal to 3. Then next is initial phase angle, that is phi 1 and phi 2. The phi 1 is pi by 3 and phi 2 is equal to pi by 4. Then we have the formula for resultant amplitude as, so this, we have the formula for resultant amplitude as R is equal to under root of A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 cos of phi 1 minus phi 2. So it is, I'll put the square root here. So it is under root. Then we'll put the values, that A1 square is 5 square plus A2, it is 3. So it is 3 square plus 2 A1 A2, it is 5 into 3. It is cos of, what is the value of phi 1? Phi 1 is this pi by 3 minus, it is pi by 4. Then the next, we simplify this. It's 25 plus, this is 9 plus, it is 15, 30 into cos of pi by 3 minus pi by 4. So here for this we can write here this pi by 3 minus pi by 4. That is, we can write here that pi will take common, is 1 by 4. So it is 4 minus 3 by 12. That is, we can say it is pi by 12. Right? So we can write instead of this cos of pi by 12. So it is 25 plus 9 is 30 cos of pi by 12. That is, this will become, it is 34 plus 30 cos of pi by 12. Instead of pi by 12 we can write here this pi for pi by 12. This pi is nothing but 180 by 12, that is 15 degree nearly. So we can write here that cos 15 is equal to or we can find cos pi by 12. It is 0. I have already solved it. Sorry, it is cos of 15 is equal to 0.966. So I will write this value directly here. It is cos 0.966. So the next, sorry, it is cos 15. This is the value of cos 15. So no need to write here cos. So multiply this 34 this plus 28.98. This will be root of 62.98. The square root of this is 7.936. As this is two equations, these are in centimeters, so this resultant amplitude it is in centimeter. This is nothing but the amplitude. A1 cos of pi by 3 plus 3, sorry, it is A1 cos of phi 1 plus A2 cos of this phi 2. So here this delta is equal to tan inverse of the A1 value is 5, sine of phi 1 is nothing but a pi by 3 plus E2 sine, what is the phi value? Phi 2 value it is pi by 4 divided by A1 again 5 cos of phi 1 is pi by 3 plus A2 is 3 again, it is cos of pi by 4. Then simplify this, it is tan inverse of 5 sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2 plus A2, sorry, here I have to write 3. It is 3 into sin pi by 4 is nothing but 1 by root of 2 divided by again 5 cos of pi by 3 is 1 by 2 plus 3 cos of pi by 4 it is again 1 by root 2. Then simplify this. Further, it is tan inverse of this will become, will take 2 root of 2, it is 5 root 3 into root 2 plus 3 into 2 divided by this, divided by again here 5 root 2, let's say it is again 2 root 2 plus 3 is root, it is into 2. This is again tan inverse of, this will get cancelled, it is, this will become 5 into 1.732, root 3 is 1.732 into root 2 is 1.414 plus 6 divided by 5 into root 2 is this 1.414 plus 6 again. This multiplying this, we have, it is 12.45 plus 6 divided by, multiplying these two terms, it is 7.07 plus 6. So further simplify this, add this, we have 18.25. This way it is 245. So it is 18.25 plus 13.07. Then this will be, it is tan inverse of 1.396. So this will be 54. Just take the tan inverse of this. So this is the delta. So you can have screenshot of this, and this is the previous part.